Welcome to Homemade Hilton. I hope everyone enjoyed their holidays. For the past couple of years, every Christmas, I usually do a theme tree or theme trees around the house. And I usually do multiple trees. This year was no exception. I went all out doing a bohemian funk theme. Went wild and crazy on the ornaments, and it was a lot of fun. Even I did a sophisticated take on the Cat in the Hat, which also turned out to be a fun tree for my son. So now that the holidays is over and it's time to put away those beautiful decorations, I'm going to give you 5 quick tips on what you should do to make your life a little bit easier while putting away decorations and pulling them out for next year. With this first tip, I promise next year you will thank me when you are looking for those beautiful turquoise ornaments. See-through storage is a must for Christmas decorations, or for any holiday rather. No labels needed here because you can see right through it, and it comes in any size. Tip number 2, make sure you store in groupings. Storing in groupings will make your life much easier while you're hunting through the attic looking for certain items. For example, wreaths and ornaments, and ribbon and or garland. I usually group these two together. Tip 3, and this is a very important tip, make sure you store your items correctly. Certain items need certain containers, such as batteries, and certain items need to be stored in certain conditions, such as adhesives and lightweight plastics. Tip 4, shop around for your storage items. You don't have to go to a specific store to get organizational items. Tip 5, get creative with your storage. Yes, people, this is tissue paper neatly folded and stacked. And zip ties, you gotta have your zip ties for the holiday. You can use them for multiple purposes and also to restore your items. Yes, you can. Another awesome idea is these cool storage organizers to keep all of your garland, cords, lights untangled. And for the coolest storage idea and most unique, I would say, is this filing system. Now, the filing system isn't just for regular papers. Check this out. You can store your Christmas cards, birthday cards, all that good stuff in there. Store your labels, and you can also store small gift bags. So this is a really cool trick to add to your office and let it flow seamlessly. Well, I hope you apply these tips, and I hope they bring you such ease in decorating and enjoying the holidays next year. Stay tuned to Homemade Hilton for more ideas coming up.